Hey everyone, look what I got here. We got unboxing in a minute, but I got a little caveat. Yeah, there might be a little bonus at the very end that it sounds like there's not going to be a bonus, but there's going to be a bonus, so watch for that. In the meantime, let's check out what's inside this box. I've got to be completely honest with you. I got this today. It's from thescrapbook.com. This order came so fast, it wasn't supposed to come till Monday, but it's here today. Okay, so guess what I want to do next? I want to open it. So I thought I'd invite you guys who are my dearest and closest friends, and we would open this together. What do you say? And as always, I remember some of the things I ordered, but not everything that I ordered. So it's a surprise to both of us. I love surprises. Okay, so I am going to just I'm going to close my eyes actually and take a thing out. Oh, well, I got a lot of things here. Oh, I remember what I got now. First things first. Okay, what can be exciting about adhesive? I love this adhesive roll. This is the 1/8 inch. Got a couple of them. This is the 1/4 inch. Got a couple of them. I get nervous when I get low, and I'm low. Actually, I ran out of this. So these are very important. Scrapbook.com clear double-sided adhesive roll. Must have, especially for flip books, mini albums, pockets, envelopes. It's the best. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes again. Oh, wait, no, I still have this bag. I'm just going to dump it all out. Now, this is Dress My Craft 3-in-1 corner punch. And I just really liked the sizes on these. This is smaller than a 1/4 inch. This is just right around a 1/4 inch, and this is not even a 1/2 inch. And I don't have those sizes, and I was really wanting the extra small size. So that's what you're seeing there. So super excited about having this in the craft studio. Now, this was one of those things that was, okay, I know I need this. I don't know if this is what I want though, but I think it is. Okay, this is from Altenew metallic thread. I have a gold metallic thread I am using right now, which I love, but guess what? You guessed it. It is running out. I don't know if you can see this, but this is more than a thread. It's a little thicker, and I'm not a sewer. I do use my sewing machine. I don't use this in my sewing machine. I use these for mostly if I am tying a bow, let's say around a tag. I almost always add another smaller tag to that. And I like to have a smaller thread. And metallic is just one of my go-to threads. Okay, so according to the package, I would guess that this is enchanted gold. I would call it a champagne. This is antique gold. And then a silky lilac. It's really beautiful. Okay, so those are my new threads that I will definitely, you will be seeing these in a lot of makes. Oh, okay. Some mixed media here. Let me get this open. Okay. Glitter Hero Paste. We're going to go ahead and open this all the way. Can you see the glitter in there? Here's what I was thinking. And there's a variation on a theme for both of these things I'm getting ready to show you. I thought with this glitter and then a heavier paste, that then using one of the new pops of color as a color additive into this Glitter Hero Paste would really be beautiful. I'm super eager to give that a try. Okay, Glossy Accents. Now I have a little bottle and I tried a thing again with the pops of color. I researched this and saw what a couple people were doing, especially if you are stenciling pops of color on something like an acetate. This can be a little thin, which makes for great technique in other places, but I wanted to thicken it up. So adding in the Glossy Accents, which is clear, to one of the pops of color makes for a great medium through a stencil on acetate. Okay, $49 in market. I'm a fan. I am a fan. $49 in market. There's brand new collections, plural, at scrapbook.com. This is Ephemera bits. It's just, there's just a ton of them. And I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this spring and even this summer. This is called Curators Botanical. I just love the name. And then here are Rub Ons. You can see there are 6 different sheets. Oh my. Oh my, that's just so good. And then the art options, also $49 in market, and just more rub-ons. So grab some more page protectors. I needed more page protectors, and that's just what that's about. So, okay, I have more to open up here. I'm gonna go ahead and jump to this. Oh, 2 of them, because I went ahead and picked up $49 in market, Curators Botanical 12 by 12 collection. And the thing with these little packs, I'm going to go ahead and open it up so I can show you. If you're not familiar with this brand and the beauty of their papers is just mind-blowing. I mean, I don't have words for it. And I don't have a lot of room here to show you what I want to show you. Let me see. Okay, so what I just basically want to show you on the back of this, you have like these cutaways that are, you know, obviously they go with all the patterns. Let me show you these patterns really quick. Double-sided, heavy, it's almost a heavy cardstock. I love these almost solid pieces, but they still have the distress feature to them. That is a lot of fun and creates just a lot of opportunity for, you know, you might not want to do like a layout on here, but you still want the vibe. So this would be a great layout side. And then using these for the embellishment and layering pieces. Look at the butterfly. Just beautiful. Oh, look at the texture on there. It's, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's like a grid, distress grid. Good, good, good. I also got the art options. Oh, wow. That is, you know what I'm thinking, right? You know what I'm thinking. Come on. As I'm looking for it, can you guess what I'm thinking? Saltwater taffy. That's what I'm thinking. That is beautiful. All right. Again, on the opposite, it's like a bonus pattern, but it's just all these great cutaways and different things you can do with that. Great journaling pieces. Oh, I mean, right? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, it's even prettier in person. I mean, I wish you could see this even better. Oh, and the colors are just on point. Beautiful work. Oh, how sweet is that? Okay, so that was art options, $49 and market. All right, I thought I got the new rub-ons from Ideaology. I'm going to have to go back and order those because in my head, it's bad enough to not remember what you do order. But then when you think you ordered something and you didn't get it, yeah, you really start to wonder about yourself. Anyway, I do love these label stickers. I love that whole throwback label vibe. I love the words, see the good in my heart, be curious, full of wonder, do your best. It's just super uplifting, and I just need it in my life. So here's the bonus part of this video. I wanted to share with you one make that I have made already using elements from this unboxing. And so hopefully you can see I used the scrapbook.com dotted stencil. Like I said I was going to do, I mixed the glitter hero paste with this soft lavender pops of color, and just until I liked the color. Now the hero paste does sort of lighten up the hue of the pops of color a little bit, but let's get it back into focus again. It is really beautiful, and I thought it played nicely with the elements from Curators Botanical. And so I trimmed out a piece of paper. This is probably 4x6 out of one of the pieces of cardstock, and this is part of the ephemera bits as well as this. I notched it. There's a stamp here, and then I used a sentiment die from scrapbook.com, one of my most favorite ones, and just put a hello in there. pretty basic and straightforward. You could write a message on the back of the card, pop it into an envelope, make a vellum envelope, and this is a beautiful make ready to give to somebody, you know, because National Card and Letter Writing Month is a little important to some of us here. So that's just one idea. Real quick here, as we round out this video, I want to take the cutoff of that scrap piece of paper. I'm going to cut this down to 6 inches. I just want to share with you a little small greeting card that I've been making several of. And it's a great thing to make with your scraps. Of course, this is kind of a scrap. So I'm trimming this to a 6x6 piece of paper. So also great use of your 6x6 pattern papers as well. Then I'm going to score it at 3 inches right down the middle. Then I'm going to score, making sure this is the top here. This is the bottom of the pattern. I'm going to score at 2 inches. And then folding that portion up. Now, the thing with this paper, it's really thick. It's a very thick cardstock. I'm not complaining, like not at all, but I'm just letting you know it's a little bit thicker. So just be mindful of your scores when you do that. And then fold that in half again. So this is basically your card. And then what we're going to do, so I cut a little V here in the middle so that when these were folded up, it would bend in the middle very nicely. So again, remember the 1/8 inch adhesive roller. I'm only going to add a little piece here to the outer edge of each one of these pockets. And then I'll add one here on this side as well. This is great card to give someone. It's a great flat mail. It's a great way to hold photos you might want to send. There's plenty of opportunities for writing notes or documenting somebody that you want to send. This would be something you could add to a scrapbook page. You could add it to a planner page. You could add it to a mini album. This just has a lot of wonderful little features about it. Okay, so I've gathered several of the ephemera bits. Super beautiful. I'm going to pop the butterfly on the top front here. And I'm going to grab the label stickers and add a Be Brave right here on the bottom edge. Okay, so you have a card front just like that. Super easy, super quick. Use your scraps. So that's just one little part of this. Now inside, there's lots of opportunity for adding this, that, and the other thing. I want to make a little flap to cover one of the pockets. I'm using the Cools paper pad, and I pulled one of the purple shades from that. And so this is a 2 3/4 by 3 inches piece of paper. And along this 3-inch edge, I am scoring a 1/2 inch little flap there. I'm going to use my new corner punch. Make just a little, see how little and cute that little edge is? Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. Now I'm going to grab the 1/4 inch scrapbook.com roller adhesive, and I just like the wider one for these little bit wider flaps as opposed to the 1/8 inch. The 1/8 inch was great for a pocket because then you're not taking up too much room in the pocket itself, right? So this goes right here. Okay, I jumped here ahead a little bit and finished a couple of things up. So the flap is on, so there's also something else that could fit underneath the flap if you wish. I added some of the rub-ons, which are absolutely breathtaking on that Cools. Here's that paper pad that I used. It's just magnificently beautiful. There was this Best of Times that was part of the ephemera. I actually trimmed it down a little bit more and made that my flap. Just added adhesive on this little end. Again, with one of the Ideaology labels, see the good. And then I just added a couple of tags in here. This is from the tag set. This was from the ephemera. And this was just an extra piece from here. And I added some more rub on to it. Oh, you can see I have have rub on here and I haven't put it on there yet. Let me fix that. Okay, that's all actually on there now and better. So you can see not a lot of product. Great way to use up your ephemera pieces. Great way to use labels, and a wonderful little small card to give to somebody. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And you know what? I will see you in the next video.